Hey guys, welcome to another audio series, and in this video I'm going to show you the two methods of uninstalling the softwares or any programs you install in your Windows. Open the control panel and if you have a different interfaces like this, change the VB option to the category on the upper right corner. Click Uninstall Program under the Programs category. These are the list of softwares you installed in your Windows manually. Just double click the software which you want to uninstall, and it's simple, but it's based on this software. And the first method we are seeing is suitable for all Windows OS, and the second method we are going to see, open the settings and go to the apps menu. These are the total list of softwares available in your PC. Just click the software which you want to uninstall and click uninstall. That's all. If you like this video, do subscribe for further videos.
But this does put a smile on my face.